Do you know that one of the most iconic fabrics in Africa is inspired by a spider weaving its web? Kente is believed to have originated from the Ashanti region of Ghana in a town called Bonwire. Centuries ago, two brothers by name Opoku Kregu and Kwachi Amayao, who were hunters by profession, on one fateful day came across a spider weaving its web. Its curiosity drove them to watch. As they watched, they decided to create something meaningful out of it. So they experimented and created a piece of white fabric. They presented it to the then king of Bonwire, who was called Nana Bobie Ansa I, who then presented it to the Asante Nana Osei I. Nana Osei II was impressed and told them to go and improve on the designs and patterns. That brought about the vibrant, beautiful Kente cloth, the master craftsmanship. Kente originated from the Akanchi word Kente, which means basket, because of its intricately woven patterns. Initially, Kente was a sacred cloth reserved exclusively for royalty. Each piece is meticulously woven with patterns and colors that tell stories. Kente is not just a fabric, it is a rich tapestry of history and culture.